welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, is offering billions of dollars in loans and grants for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, through its SERVE program. The program was launched today. The Finance Ministry, in conjunction with the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, launched 3 facilities to provide funding for businesses. $2 billion has been dedicated to the MSME Recovery Loan Facility, which will allow them to fund capital expenditure projects, refinance debt, or purchase real estate.
A loan limit personal borrow of $10 million. The maximum interest rate to the MSME is 5% per annum and fixed on the reducing balance. Repayment is over a period not exceeding 8 years, and the DBJ is also willing to facilitate a maximum moratorium on principal of 12 months. And finally, the DBJ will fund up to 90% of the project cost. However, the MSME must provide a 10% contribution towards the overall project cost.
$1 billion has also been dedicated to a Go Digital loan facility where businesses can access up to $800,000 at an interest rate of 2% and 3 years to repay.
Micro, small and medium-sized enterprises with revenues not exceeding $425 million per annum will be able to access the loans through several financial institutions to fund hardware, software and other services for digitalizing their businesses. Also, business owners can use this loan to acquire laptops, smartphones, portable point-of-sale machines, e-commerce and digital payment solutions. Also obtainable under this facility is the acquisition of and training in software, including cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, digital productivity tools, and business applications such as accounting software, HR, and payroll systems.
There is also a grant of up to $300,000 where businesses can procure software for various business services. So far, a number of financial institutions have committed to the program, and applications for loans will be accepted through these entities. But entrepreneurs don't have long to take advantage of these offerings, as the funds must be used by next year, March. Motorists will pay less at the pumps for a second consecutive week. $1.45 will be shaved off a liter of 87 gasoline, while 90 gasoline will decline by $1.66. Automotive diesel will sell for $1.77 less. The price of ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $2.45. It will cost $1.88 less for kerosene. However, propane will increase by 8 cents and butane will cost $2.02. Meanwhile, global oil prices rose by almost $2 a barrel today after U.S. government data showed a larger than expected drawdown in U.S. crude inventories and on expectations that demand will rise as vaccination rollouts widen across the U.S. Brent crude for November delivery gained $1.86, settling at $75.46 a barrel. Meanwhile, the Jamaican dollar has made ground even more on the U.S. currency, hitting its highest since June 30. Now it's costing an average $149.29 for the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $118.69. $206.92 is the going rate for the pound, while it's costing $178.42 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 325 points today, while the junior market index fell by 20 points. Today's advances include ISP Finance Services, Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares, EPLI 7.25% Preference Shares, Jamaica Producers, and Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution. While those on the losing side include Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, 1834 Investments, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Blue Power Group, and JMB Group 7.5% shares, and that should be 7% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from around the region and across the world right after this break. Stay with us.